Epic AIM. Self-directed and continuous learning with timely and accurate results stored in silos. Verification of links and sources. Downloads and copies. Uses ranked, verified internet, Google or your choice, Wikipedia, YouTube, and other educational and verifiable resources. Combines historical silos, current information and user-created secure and private silos.
Here I'm going to show a basic Epic AIM search and then the results and the ability to copy and download the results with all the supporting links to validate the information and know the credibility of the information. Epic start. Ask question. Control high blood pressure. Voice start. Control high blood pressure. Done. Get answer. So here we can see we have all the different results and links kind of in a hierarchy, kind of Google format. Now we're going to show how we go into an action. And within the action we can see the summary information, the summary URL links, the rankings, the titles, the date of the search, snippets, URLs for Wikipedia, summary, YouTube summary, a YouTube video, and we can go into a lot more. So we can copy the text, which will automatically do like a Control-C, and we can download it, and if we want to see the downloaded information, so if we take the copy and we bounce over to Word and we paste it in, we can come to the URLs and make the URLs live. And then if we want to see what there is in a YouTube video, we can go to the YouTube video.
Hey guys, welcome to Forward. We're a new type of doctor's office that's providing preventative primary care. We've got...
And also, go back to the Word document. We can look at the snippet for the results. And here we can see a hypertension URL link under a Times magazine, and we can go to Wikipedia that did an article on aspirin and the effects of high blood pressure. So all the information is available, and you can do this for all the different links that are coming from the internet or that might be coming from the already stored silos. So each one of these will give you the capability of getting all the commands and all the links, all the time frames, all the snippets, and this makes it much easier to put together reports, research, documents, homework, whatever you're working on. This will give you all those capabilities. Following this will be the showing of how we schedule the self-continual learning. So topics that you're interested in will continually learn and keep learning and getting new information and storing it. And then you'll see an example of the full text-to-voice, voice-to-text, and all the other full capabilities of Epic AIM's cognitive AI model. Thank you.
Epic AIM cognitive-based artificial intelligence, interest and criteria-based self-continual learning, replicating the human learning process, storage of information in what we call silos, neuron connectors combined with memory, with expandable storage retention for scale, size of information, cross-linking with probabilistic matching algorithms and auto-updating of your most desired subject topics, makes for an AI with limitless potential. From the main Epic AIM screen we will go into the Update Scheduler creation and maintenance screen. Here we see the silo table name and the search term. Here we see the last insertion date into the silo creation date, and the number of days since the silo was created. This aids the user in setting up the automated update scheduler. We see the user name description, the schedule time type such as days, weeks, months and so on, the number of the date type such as 6 for days or 5 for months and so on. The user can set the language to search on and return and store the results in that language. Next, the user selected to have 10 results returned and updated into the silos. And lastly, the user can search for exact terms or phrases and also exclude terms or phrases. Now we will show how a user creates a new scheduler. The important and efficient means to select the silo name and search terms is to use autofill technology, for there can be hundreds, thousands, millions or more of each, and the autofill choices narrow it down to an acceptable size list to choose from. Next, we will fill in the parameters of options as you saw in the completed one, and the users then save the new scheduler entry. Now we see two new schedules. The user simply selects the schedule and clicks the action button, then selects the start icon. Now moving forward, that schedule will be monitored by Epic AIM and run according to the schedule, keeping the automated learning process delivery, if or until the user selects to stop it or the user does not access these results for a designated time period. Next, you will see the prior video of running the main Epic AIM application. So, within the next month or so, we expect to complete phase 1 and 2 of this 8-year project with an ultimate goal of delivering the most powerful cognitive artificial application with the most powerful means of memory, silo storage and quick and accurate retrieval, with one of the first AI models with nearest real capabilities of detecting and showing of human-like emotions.
Epic start. Ask question. Voice start. How to lower high blood pressure. Done. Get answer. Epic summary voice.
When is it high blood pressure? Risk factors, prevention, treatment. Overview. High blood pressure, or hypertension, is a condition that's seen in people.
Epic search result. Rank 1 title.
January 7th, 2023, 11:42 and 40 seconds a.m. Does Benadryl lower blood pressure, high blood pressure and...
Rank 2 title.
January 7th, 2023, 11:43 and 23 seconds a.m. How to lower blood pressure, shower blood pressure medicine.
Rank 2 summary.
January 7th, 2023, 11:43 and 23 seconds a.m. 23 hours ago. Young mother, what medication is used to treat hypertension and second child? This matter must not be Mucinex. High blood pressure, pink grapefruit and high blood.
Rank 2
When Epic
URL.
AIM is requested to navigate to a URL either from a new internet search or the Epic AIM's memory silos, it will open up the link in your default browser. Just as you see in Google, we use our matching algorithms against our stored memory silos to find matches to the new requested search and list them for the user from the Epic AIM intelligence memory to be value add to the new search results, the combined memory silo results and the related silo results. The user will then be able to listen to or link to the source of the related matched information.
Epic Internet. Epic Silos. Epic Internet. Epic Exact Terms. Voice Start. Pills. Voice Stop. Epic Stop. Here we can see where you ask things. You can go against the internet only. You can go against silos, which is stored memory, and you can go against the internet or already stored silos of information. You can handle what language you want to speak in and you want to hear it spoken to you. You can look for exact terms, you can exclude terms. After you have the information available, you can read it by the order of importance, which is partially from Google and partially from our probabilistic matching of existing information that is stored. We have public date, we have the links, we also have related questions, so you can go back and look at other related questions that you stored and that you kept because you thought they had importance. Store all the information in some main tables. So what we call our AI brain is going to have all the search terms and dates we used, geolocation, language, and other information. We have what's called definition and meanings. And here we have the definition and the links and different meaning information that we store. And then we also have the Q&A, or what we call the questions and answers. So we store all questions and answers that were asked, and in the JSON format we store the results, again the question and the time for the question. So this is the early stages still of our AI cognitive.
The next upcoming video in a few weeks will show the use of facial recognition along with voice recognition and even object recognition to aid in determining the requester's emotions and mood and be able to communicate based on this information of the requester. Also, the next release will demonstrate how the more requested subjects, the higher ranked subjects will continually monitor the internet and other sources and update the silos with new, updated information for future search requests of information. The EPIC aim will also lower rank and even purge unnecessary and unused data, though leaving some metadata and links to keep snippets of all prior learned information. EPIC aim can also use its APIs to communicate with other systems and data stores and be the communicative front end for retail websites and phone apps, students of all ages to accomplish research, for papers and assignments, front-ending medical, pharmacy and most industry applications, and websites that have voice or texting from silo information storage will be of value add. So, within the next month or so we expect to complete phase 1 and 2 of this 8-year project with an ultimate goal of delivering the most powerful cognitive artificial application with the most powerful means of memory, silo storage and quick and accurate retrieval with one of the first AI models with nearest real capabilities of detecting and showing of human-like emotions. Thank you for your interest in EPIC AIM AI, and we hope this helps everyone from students, researchers, the pharmaceutical and healthcare industry, manufacturing, space travel and most any form of businesses and advancements to science and a better world. Reach us at 847-440-4439.